In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to QuickBooks Online. This process allows you to seamlessly integrate your PayPal transactions into QuickBooks, making your bookkeeping much more efficient and accurate. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the home page of QuickBooks, you'll need to direct your attention to the navigation bar. Here, search for the More option. This is your gateway to additional settings and integrations that aren't immediately visible on the main toolbar. After clicking on More, you will be presented with various options. Here, you need to select Accounting. This step is crucial because this section hosts the integrations that allow you to connect different accounts to QuickBooks. Once you're in the Accounting section, look for an option that says Connect Account. This will be prominently displayed and is the main tool we'll use to establish a connection with PayPal. Under Connect Account, you'll find a search box that allows you to find specific accounts or services you want to integrate. Type PayPal into this search box and submit your query. QuickBooks will then list PayPal as an option to connect. If you have multiple services linked to QuickBooks, PayPal might appear among them, making it crucial to ensure you select the correct one from the list. Once you've identified PayPal in the list, click on it. Now, you're going to need to specify which country your PayPal account is registered in. Selecting the country is a vital step as it ensures the system pulls information relevant to your PayPal account's locale and currency settings. This ensures all transactions are accurately recorded in the correct currency and format. After selecting the appropriate country, QuickBooks will prompt you to enter your PayPal login details. So go ahead and carefully enter your PayPal username and password. Remember, it's important to ensure your details are correct to avoid any login issues. Once entered, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection between PayPal and QuickBooks. The prompts will guide you through the necessary steps, confirming permissions and providing a final review to assure everything is correctly configured. And there you have it. With PayPal now linked to QuickBooks Online, all your transactions from PayPal will automatically sync with QuickBooks, simplifying your accounting process. This integration eliminates the need for manual entries and reduces the risk of errors, saving you both time and effort. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out if you have any further questions. Happy bookkeeping!